I am the owner of Fineline Barbers. I'm 25 years old and this is my business. I think it's a place where men can be men and what's said in the shop stays in the shop. I went to barber school up in Auckland. And me and my partner both done the small business course through TWOA. So we had a fair idea of how to come up with a business plan. So we went along and got some help from a Māori organisation called Te Puni Kokiri. We sort of had an idea of what we wanted to do with the business and like where we wanted to go. But the one thing we didn't really know was how to action it. So we went along and got some help. We get all kind of hairstyles. Everyone's going for comb-overs, just the short back and sides. Yeah, we're an innovative barbershop. We like to push the limits. Our vision statement is traditional barbering services with a modern day twist. And so with that modern twist, that's just implementing what's happening now. Barbering is art these days. We were a home-based business, so we started from my house. I had a double garage there and it was me working in the business and I had one other barber with me. We were at home for 12 months, trying to raise a family as well as grow a business at the same time. It just wasn't really working out before we moved into this shop here in town. I hadn't been an employee before, so I had to go from taking orders to giving orders. And when I first started in this shop, I was still set up as a sole trader. And about 3 to 6 months in, with the amount of money that was coming in, we ended up having to register as a company. So it's definitely good to have a good accountant. It's good to have a mentor as well, just to get outside point of views. She was really good with keeping us focused. One thing that I've learned is if you want to get into business is knowing your target market. Ours ranges from sort of senior level at high school to early 40s. We get dentists, lawyers, accountants, a lot of professional men. And yeah, it's good for young boys to be around those kind of people and just how to hold yourself as a man as well. Like, those are things that I want to be able to teach, especially young Māori and Polynesian boys. We're in the service industry, so our customers are top priority. We put a lot of time into our haircuts. I want my customers to walk out of here knowing that we've given them the best cut that we can give. How's that, bro?
Good.
We make men feel like men.